On 14th of August, Dr.Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council attended the inaugural ceremony of Model Anganwadi Centers at Binapani High School Field, Dharamnala, Diphu. Inaugural ceremony of Model Anganwadi Centers under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Diphu, LAC for the year 2020 to 2021 was organized at Binapani High School Field, Dharamnala, Model AWC under Diphu ICDS, Karbi Anglong. The ceremony was chaired by Robinson Crow, Assistant Superintendent, Social Welfare Department, and the agenda of the meeting was briefed by Madhuri Bora, ICDS Program Officer. The Model Anganwadi Centers was inaugurated by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in presence of Bidya Singh England, MLA, Chairperson of AHISDC Limited, Dr. Numal Mumin, Deputy Speaker, Government of Assam, Darsing Ronghang, MLA, Executive Members, MAC of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and several important dignitaries. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, while speaking to us, informed that Dharamnala Model AWC is the first center being inaugurated, and as many as 11 Model Anganwadi centers would be upgraded from its existing Anganwadi centers in each legislative assembly under KAC. Total 44 Model Anganwadi centers to be upgraded initially, and slowly all the centers would be upgraded in the days to come.
Hey, Model Anganwadi Center ami bortoman Karbi Anglongot eta LA homosit 21 সাল 11টা ভাবে আনুষ্ঠানিকভাৱে আজি উদ্বোধন কৰা হৈছে। বাকীবিলাকৰ কাম চলি আছে আৰু এনে ধৰণৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং যিমানখিনি অংগনবাদী চেণ্টাৰ আছে সেই অংগনবাদী চেণ্টাৰবিলাকৰ এনে ধৰণৰ মডেল অংগনবাদী চেণ্টাৰ বনাবৰ কাৰণে অসম চৰকাৰৰ লগত আমাৰ বিধায়কসকলৰ লগত আৰু আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ লগত আলাপ আলোচনা কৰি সেই গোটেইখিনি অংগনবাদী চেণ্টাৰবিলাকৰ এনে ধৰণৰ মডেল অংগনবাদী চেণ্টাৰ বনাবৰ কাৰণে আমি চেষ্টা কৰি
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.